Hey sis, it's Coach Twy with Fyne Fabulous, and on Sunday before church I made these delicious cheeseburger sliders, and I want you to make them too. Get your zucchini, your lean meat, and your seasoning. Cut your zucchini into 1-inch slices. That's right, 1 inch. And then put them to the side on a paper towel. Season them a little bit. I chose ground bison for my meat this time, and I seasoned it with some smoked paprika. Then I went ahead and added some oregano into the mix as well. Love adding these to my burgers. I also added my favorite onion powder. Yes, onion powder is my favorite, along with my other favorite, garlic powder. I add those to all of my burgers. Yes, yes, yes. So now you're going to mix that in, making sure to get the seasoning in on all parts of that meat. Then make small burgers, little small ones, 8 to 10 of them actually. Now it's time to cook. Let's go ahead and get our extra virgin olive oil spray. Spray that pan, and we're going to start off with the zucchini, browning them on both sides, then move on to creating or making or frying our bison. Then we plate them, honey. We take the zucchini, top it with bison, put on your cheese, and then another zucchini. The meat and the cheese will melt. Sis, if you're going to try this, let me know in the comments.